Hey, welcome back to Lady Tradie. A really quick one today, something that might scare a lot of people and they may avoid doing it, but it's something really easy. So if for some reason you have a plumbing issue and you need to move a pipe or cut a pipe or replace a section of pipe that might be crushed or cracked or broken and damaged, it's really simple to put it back together again. So here's an example of a pipe I have cut. By the way, always have a bucket on hand, so I've just got an empty ice cream container here to help if there's any water left in any pipes. Get your hands on some of this glue. You can pick it up at any hardware store and it is for connecting PVC pipe. You spread it around on both parts, so on the pipe that is in the ground or wherever it is, as well as a little piece that you will also need to pick up at the hardware, which is just a connector. So pop that over the top. The glue dries very, very quickly. So as soon as that comes into contact, it's starting to dry already. And then you do the same at the other end. So with the piece that you are replacing or fitting in, you add glue to the outside of that as well as the inside of the connecting piece. When you're buying the connector, I always take a piece of the pipe I want to reconnect with me to the hardware just to make sure that I pick up the right size connector. So same procedure, paint some of this glue on both pieces of pipe, inside the connector and on the pipe, and then pop it inside, let the glue dry, and you have reconnected and fixed that piece of piping. So now you can go and hook up your S-bend or whatever it was part of as per normal, and it will work good as gold.